Mr. Mac, I just wanted to give you a quick walkthrough of assignment B6, and you'll do that by clicking word clouds, and we'll go to this particular site for a quick instant word cloud graphic to create for your client. And let's see, you have different words there that might have something to do with their culture of their business or the means that the way they want to market some content. Now you could also change the shape, right? You can change how many words the size are, and right here you can slide that along. But you could also change the theme, right? Colors. And also, if you copy the words down below that are left that have to do with multimedia, you could actually copy those and paste those into the word list, okay? You'd paste those into a word list by clicking paste. All right, that's going to open up a window and you'd paste them in there, and then those words would come in here. Also, another nice thing in this word list is you can change the sizes. I'm just going to change this for the heck of it to give you a quick example of customizing this text. And instead of 11, I think I'm going to make it 68. So let's apply it, and I'm going to go ahead and X that off. And aha, I can see it, MDIA, right? In that shape of a Pac-Man, I think, right? You can change the colors, the fonts. You can use the different themes. You could even create your own mask to really personalize it, maybe in the shape of their logo or what they're branding. So just want to let you know, once you create that word cloud, you could actually right-click it and save as instead of just using a screen capture tool. You might be able to kick that out that way. Okay, this is Mr. Mac out. This wordclouds.com. The link is in your assignment.